Top 5 mistakes that cause nighttime urination. Waking up several times during the night to use the bathroom can be frustrating, especially when it disturbs your sleep and leaves you tired the next day. This condition, known as nocturia, is very common among older adults, but here's the truth, it's not just age that causes it. Certain daily habits and simple mistakes can make it much worse. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 mistakes that cause nighttime urination and explain what you can do to avoid them. Stay tuned till the end to learn simple fixes that can help you sleep peacefully through the night again. Number 1. Drinking too much before bed. One of the most common mistakes people make is drinking large amounts of fluids in the evening, especially right before going to bed. While staying hydrated is essential for kidney and bladder health, consuming too much liquid close to bedtime puts unnecessary pressure on your bladder during the night. Drinks like water, tea, milk, or even soup can fill your bladder, forcing you to wake up several times to urinate. Even worse are diuretic beverages, such as coffee, alcohol, and certain soft drinks. They increase urine production and irritate the bladder lining, making the urge even stronger. The solution isn't to stop drinking altogether, but to adjust your timing. Try to drink most of your fluids during the day and gradually reduce your intake 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. If you're thirsty at night, take small sips instead of full glasses. This small change can make a huge difference in how often you wake up at night. Maintaining a balanced hydration schedule allows your kidneys to process fluids efficiently while giving your bladder the rest it needs during your sleep. Number 2. Ignoring caffeine and alcohol intake. Caffeine and alcohol are 2 major culprits when it comes to nighttime urination, yet many people overlook their effects. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, chocolate, and many soft drinks, acts as both a diuretic and a bladder stimulant. It increases urine production while making the bladder more sensitive, causing you to feel the urge to urinate even when it isn't full. Alcohol has a similar effect. It interferes with the hormone called vasopressin, which normally helps your body retain water while you sleep. When this hormone is suppressed, your kidneys produce more urine, and you're forced to get up multiple times during the night. The key is moderation and timing. Try to avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. and limit alcohol consumption in the evening, especially close to bedtime. If you enjoy a warm drink before bed, opt for non-caffeinated herbal teas like chamomile or ginger, which relax your system instead of stimulating it. By reducing or timing your caffeine and alcohol intake wisely, you can prevent unnecessary nighttime bathroom trips and improve both your bladder health and sleep quality. Subscribe to AgeGlow and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our new health tips. Number 3. Eating salty or sugary foods late at night. Your diet plays a bigger role in nighttime urination than you might think. Consuming salty or sugary foods in the evening can force your body to retain or excrete extra water, leading to more urine production while you sleep. Salty foods like chips, soups, or processed snacks increase sodium levels in your blood, causing your body to pull water from your cells to maintain balance. This extra fluid is later processed by your kidneys, leading to more frequent urination. Similarly, sugary foods and refined carbs can cause blood sugar spikes, which also increase urine output as your body works to flush out excess sugar. For people with diabetes or insulin resistance, this effect can be even stronger, worsening nighttime urination. The best approach is to avoid heavy, salty, or sweet snacks after dinner. Instead, choose light options like fruit, yogurt, or a handful of unsalted nuts if you feel hungry before bed. Reducing salt and sugar in your evening meals not only helps your kidneys, but also supports better blood pressure and overall health. Small dietary adjustments can go a long way in keeping your bladder calm through the night. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Number 4. Ignoring bladder and prostate health. Many older adults experience nighttime urination because of underlying bladder or prostate issues that go unnoticed. For men, an enlarged prostate BPH is one of the most common causes. As the prostate grows, it puts pressure on the bladder and urethra, making it difficult to fully empty the bladder during the day. This results in frequent urges at night. For women, weakened pelvic muscles or overactive bladder syndrome can have a similar effect, causing the bladder to contract even when it's not full. Another often ignored factor is urinary tract infection (UTI). Even mild infections can irritate the bladder, creating an urgent or burning need to urinate more often, including during the night. Ignoring these issues can make nocturia worse over time. If you suspect any of these conditions, don't ignore the signs. Talk to your healthcare provider for proper evaluation. Gentle pelvic floor exercises, known as Kegels, can strengthen bladder control. While certain herbal remedies like pumpkin seed extract, saw palmetto, or horsetail tea may support urinary function naturally, regular medical checkups, a healthy diet, and bladder-friendly habits can make a world of difference. When your bladder and prostate are healthy, your nights become more restful and your days more energetic. Number 5. Poor sleep habits and stress. It might surprise you, but stress and poor sleep patterns can also increase nighttime urination. When you're under stress, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline that can affect kidney function and bladder sensitivity. This can create the sensation of needing to urinate more often, even when your bladder isn't full. Additionally, people with disrupted sleep or insomnia may become more aware of minor urges that they would normally sleep through. Over time, this creates a habit where the brain associates waking up with going to the bathroom. The more it happens, the stronger the pattern becomes. To break this cycle, try adopting a relaxing nighttime routine. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed, dim the lights, and consider calming activities like deep breathing or gentle stretching. Herbal teas like chamomile or valerian root can also promote relaxation and better sleep. Managing stress through mindfulness or light exercise can further reduce nighttime urges. Remember, a calm mind supports a calm bladder. Taking care of your mental and emotional health plays a bigger role in urinary wellness than most people realize. While these tips can help reduce nighttime urination, it's important to remember that frequent urination can sometimes be a sign of an underlying medical condition such as diabetes, prostate issues, or kidney disease. If your symptoms persist or worsen, please consult your doctor or healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and personalized treatment. Nighttime urination might feel like an inevitable part of aging, but as you've seen, it's often caused by everyday habits that can be corrected. By managing your fluid intake, avoiding late-night stimulants, eating wisely, and supporting your bladder health, you can reduce those nightly bathroom trips and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to AgeGlow, and share it with others who may be struggling with the same issue. Let's keep working together for better kidney and bladder health, one small change at a time.